Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2003 Chevy Impala. We're going to be doing some videos today. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To check the transmission fluid level, the dipstick is right here. But what we want to do is we want to make sure the engine is hot, so we're going to drive it around for 10 minutes and then let the engine idle, and we'll check it while the engine is running. You're going to want to pull the dipstick out. We're going to wipe it down with a rag first. We're going to reinsert the dipstick. Let it sit for a couple seconds. And we'll pull it out again. And we're going to want to make sure the transmission fluid level is in between those cross hatches while the vehicle is hot. And ours is right in the middle there, so we don't have to add any. If yours was low while the engine's hot idling, then you would have to add a little bit. Check your owner's manual for the appropriate fluid. And we can reinsert the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.